Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw the flag of Kenya. Let's start the outline on the top. So it has separate colors. On the top you can see it has a black color, so that's why I'm putting the outlines here. Then you can see the red color in the middle. And you can see the green color in the bottom. You can see a red surface here. And a black area in the wings. Alright, let's fill up the red area which is in the middle, and this is a graphical combination, and for these presentations and graphics we're trying to make the most similar cases so that the flags looks alike. Now let's put the red color for the other empty surfaces. So middle rectangle here, we're going to fill it up with the red color. Alright, the top portion is going to be the black color, so let's fill up the black color with the rectangle on top. And you can see the green color in the bottom. Let's put the green color. Alright, so with all the combinations and the presentation, you can see the usual scenery of the flag of Kenya. This is a nice drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on for the more updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.